Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in this newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, May the 25th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle. There are two puzzles left, regular puzzles, the killer Sudoku and the medium Sudoku. And by the way, in this newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do is to solve later on the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. But first, we will solve this baby number 4602. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus in additional, this will be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. All right. All right, let me scan. Which number can I pick? How about, interesting. The one in this row, the one in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see there one in this column, so no one in this box. So 1 box left for the one should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see that one, no one there, one should be here. All right. And now I cannot continue with the one. How about 6. Yeah. 9. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this column, so no 7 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now. In this big square, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3. The 4, the 5 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Then. 3. Alright. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the middle row, so no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. 5, 4, 3. Well. Need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Right, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 8, 8, 8, 8. 9. 9, 9. I'm thinking. 7. 4. No. 4, 9. No. False alarm. 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So that row. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box gave me 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, first row. 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Wait. Then 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes here. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. Wait. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. 8, 8. 3, 9. 1, the 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7, 7. Okay, now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5. And this box should be an 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, no, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore, that box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. 8 in the last column, 8 in that. Oh, we already have an 8. Let me count, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. Yeah. 459, 459. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1 and the 2, I believe 1 and the 2 are missing in this second column. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 here in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column X, so in the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.